In this video, I will show you how to book Japan Airlines with American Miles. So for this one, let's head over and then go first into the American Airlines. So once you're in here, next thing you need to do is to just head over and then choose in here your from as well as your two options. So for example, let's put in here NHD or HND for Haneda Airport in Japan. So click on that and then choose in here your departure as well as return date and then click onto the search option in your here to search for flights. And now in here, it should be able to show you some flights. So you can see in here this flight and you can see that it's operated by Japan Airlines. So just head over and expand this flight and then choose in here for one of these fares. It can be basic economy, main, premium economy, as well as business option. So just head over and then choose in here the kind of fare that you want. And then you should be able to book it from the American Airlines site for this particular flight.